Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can copy the link to the response you have been given by Google Search AI mode in a specific conversation, for example, guys. So let us dive into this. So head over to Google Search or google.com. And what you want to do is click into AI mode here. That is going to redirect you to that overview here on the left-hand side. You can, for example, navigate to a new thread and start it here, or click into this button and navigate to recent conversation. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Here in the AI mode at the top in the given conversation, what you want to do is scroll at the very bottom of the given response and click into this button to copy the response, the last response or recent response that has been given by Google AI mode. But you can also copy the entire conversation. To do that, navigate back to that overview on the left sidebar, AI mode history. Bear in mind, guys, that this is Google AI mode, not a Gemini, so there's a difference. So here on Google AI mode, you want to click into these three dots next to the given conversation and click into share. And then you will see that a link to the entire conversation here, so that you may send it, I don't know, to your contacts, co-editors, and so on and so forth, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.